This is November 3, Victor Echo Mike from Parks on the Air with your month ending June 2022 Parks on the Air update. Be sure to visit parksontheair.com for information about the program and pota.app for spotting, park information, leaderboards, and more. In Parks on the Air news, don't miss the Summer Plaque event coming up July 16th and 17th UTC. This is our busiest weekend every year, and it's your chance to win one of 17 high-quality plaques for your shack. Once the event is over, be sure to upload your activation logs using POTA's new self-upload service, and then be on the lookout at the annual plaque event section from the menu at pota.app for details on the awards ceremony, where an esteemed list of guests will join us on the official POTA YouTube channel to help us announce the winners. Guest presenters for this year's awards show include individuals from AR Newsline, Ham Radio Crash Course, ICQ Podcast, Temporarily Offline Ham Radio, Ham World Online, Red Summit RF, Pride Radio Group, Ria's Shack Ham Radio, KB9 VBR Antennas, Kyle AA0Z Ham Radio Clubhouse, Ham Radio Adventure Guy, K8MRD Radio Stuff, Ham Radio Live and WRMI Shortwave CQ Calling Show, Ham Radio Workbench Podcast, Ham Radio 2.0, and of course Parks on the Air. For our final news item, I am personally excited to announce that Matt here, N3NWV, whom many of you know from our official POTA 101 videos, will be taking over the reins of these monthly updates beginning in August. I've had a lot of fun recording these updates, but I'm looking forward to handing the reins over to our official media manager as we continue to grow the program. And now for the monthly stats update. June continued our streak of high activity months. We had 2,114 operators complete 10,158 activations from 3,980 parks in 39 different DX entities. Of the activators, N2NWK and W6ZD continued their runs in the top spots with 283 activations and 63 different parks respectively. The top hunter by number of parks was also a repeat this month, with K9ICP hunting 1,008 different parks. The hunter who made the most QSOs this month was W1RCP with 1,856 contacts. In POTA DX, England took back the top spot in Region 1 with 121 activations. Canada and Japan continued to hold their top spots in Regions 2 and 3 with 690 and 342 activations each. The individual DX operator who completed the most activations was HI8DL in the Dominican Republic, who completed 134 activations. The DX race for most parks activated was neck and neck, but at the end of the month it was VE3GKT who activated 47 parks, taking the top spot by just one park over VA7DBJ. And last but not least, let's check in on the progress of the Bailey Sprott Challenge. In 2021, N5HA and W9AV each managed to hunt a park every day. So in 2022, we're following along to see if anyone else can match their feat. At 182 days into the year, we have 4 activators who have been out every day of the year: KE8PZN, N2NWK, K4NYM, and KD4MZM. The pool of hunters has dropped by 1 from last month, with just 30 individuals still in the running. To all of the Bailey Sprott participants, congrats on your success so far, and we look forward to seeing how you do in the second half of the year. This concludes our May 2022 Parks on the Air update. As always, the team at Parks on the Air wishes you safe activations and happy hunting. 73.